stop scrolling if you've ever dreamed of ditching the 9 to 5 and working from anywhere in the world. What if I told you that in just 7 simple steps you could make that dream a reality? Imagine waking up to the sound of ocean waves in Bali, or sipping coffee in a historic cafe in Prague, all while making money from your laptop. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's 100% possible. And today, I'm breaking down exactly how to become a digital nomad so you can start living life on your own terms. I got inspired by a trip to Bali, where I saw people living their best lives, working remotely, enjoying an affordable yet high-quality lifestyle, and escaping the 9 to 5 grind. If you want that too, stick around because this step-by-step guide will change your life. Step 1. Meet other digital nomads, 038 to 530. The first step, surround yourself with people who are already doing it. This makes the lifestyle feel real and gives you insider knowledge. Here's how to do it. Heavy checkmark. Watch YouTube videos like this one and follow digital nomads on social media. Heavy checkmark. Join Facebook groups and subreddits focused on digital nomading. Heavy checkmark. Use platforms like Nomad List and Meetup to find digital nomad communities. Heavy checkmark. Reach out to people directly. Networking is everything. Did you know? The term digital nomad was first coined in the late 90s, but the lifestyle exploded in popularity post-2020, with companies embracing remote work like never before. Small Blue Diamond, Paul Lee's story. He was burned out by corporate life in the US, so he packed his bags and moved to Bangkok, Thailand. Why? Lower cost of living, adventure, and a vibrant international community. Small Blue Diamond, Kristen Wilson's journey. A digital nomad for 20-plus years, she started with real estate, surf lessons, and a relocation business. Now she runs a successful podcast and YouTube channel. Proof that there are endless ways to make this lifestyle work. What about you? If you could work remotely anywhere in the world, where would you go first? Drop a comment below. Step 2. Figure out how to make money. 5:30 to 10:45. No money, no nomad life. So let's talk cash. Here are 5 ways digital nomads make a living. Got heavy checkmark, remote jobs. Work for a company just from anywhere. Think tech, customer support, marketing. Heavy checkmark. Freelancing. Offer skills like writing, design, or programming. Heavy checkmark. Online businesses. E-commerce, dropshipping, affiliate marketing. Heavy checkmark. Content creation. YouTube, blogging, social media influencing. Heavy checkmark. Passive income and investing. Airbnb, stocks, digital products. Point right? Pro. Tip. You don't have to start a business. Many nomads just work remotely for companies. But if you want freedom, e-commerce and digital services are fantastic options. Bulb. Quick fact. The average remote worker earns around $70,000 per year. But top freelancers and entrepreneurs can make 6 or even 7 figures while traveling the world. Step 3. Choose your destination. 10:45 to 13:30. Not all places are digital nomad friendly. Here are the best hotspots. Heavy checkmark. Southeast Asia, Thailand, Vietnam, Bali. Cheap, great culture, fast Wi-Fi. Heavy checkmark. Eastern Europe, Serbia, Bulgaria. Bansko is a nomad hub. Heavy checkmark. Latin America, Mexico, Colombia. Beautiful, affordable, growing communities. Consider cost of living, time zones, internet speed, and quality of life. Fun fact, in Chiang Mai, Thailand, one of the biggest digital nomad hubs, you can live comfortably for under $1,000 per month. Step 4. Handle logistics. 1330 to 1600. Before you go, handle these must-dos. Heavy checkmark. Visas, don't get deported. Research visa policies. Heavy checkmark. Housing. Airbnb, co-living spaces, long-term rentals. Heavy checkmark. Banking and taxes. International bank accounts, expat tax strategies. Heavy checkmark. Health insurance. Travel insurance tailored for digital nomads. Small Blue Diamond. Paul's warning, he almost got deported for overstaying a visa. Don't make that mistake. Step 5. Actually move. 1600 to 1730. This is the moment of truth. Book that one-way ticket. It's scary, but once you land, you'll figure everything out. Take action. The hardest part is just starting. Step 6. Find your community, 1730 to 1900. Loneliness? Not a problem when you know where to look. Heavy check mark. Attend events and conferences for nomads and expats. Heavy check mark. Nomad Cruise, a networking event on a cruise ship. Heavy check mark. Internations.org, a global platform connecting expats. Heavy check mark. Co-working spaces. Work, socialize, and network in one spot. Having a community makes this lifestyle sustainable, otherwise it can feel isolating. Step 7. Enjoy and adapt to the lifestyle. Your first destination doesn't have to be permanent. Experiment, find your rhythm, and balance work and travel. Stay longer in one place to be more productive and truly experience the culture. The key? Flexibility, personal growth, and enjoying the freedom you worked for. Takeaway and call to action. Becoming a digital nomad is 100% possible. All it takes is the first step. If this video helped, smash that like button, drop a comment on where you want to go first, and don't forget to subscribe for more nomad secrets. See you in the next one. Question for you. What's your biggest worry about becoming a digital nomad? Let's chat in the comments.